Well, we've got the man of the match, TLB they call him. He's the man of the match. How did you see it from your point of view, taking on those big giants from Nigeria?
Qala ngokubonga nje ukuthi sitraine kahle ejimini ucoach ne-technical team yasitshela ukuthi asambe nisolo ayikho into esingayicoach igame kanje sonke si-strong sonke sifuna iwin. Uma singena ngaphakathi nathi singama-players siyakhuthazana sithi bafethu la ayekho umuntu ozositshela ngaphandle kuyarasa kugcwele ngesimuzi ucoach into ekumele senze thina ukuthi silwe phakathi iyo nto esisize ukuthi sibambisane silwe. I'm going
to continue with this interview. I just want to give you your flowers for the day. Just for me, need to give you the Man of the Match award there. Well deserved. It's a party after this, but there's still that important World Cup qualifier that you guys have to take care of. It's an opportunity missed not to win this game, I suppose.
Iwina namhlanje ayisijabule kakhulu ngoba maningi amathuba ukuthi World Cup. Ngala amagame azayo kumele ngasiqhubeka siwine kanje yonke into izoba lula ngoba nayo igame ethafu ade sisazi nathi ukuthi masiyodlala nayo sizolwa silinde draw or win kodwa besathi ngesidliwe into ade kumele senze ukuthi siwine sijabule kakhulu ngoba nje sidroshile into enhle iyancona siyabonga kakhulu.
TLB, I want to find out from you, at such a young age, how do you keep such composure against international players who are experienced? They've done it longer than you.
Le game le abantu abadala abakhulile kodwa nabami ama-players akhulile into angitshele yona nje ukuthi ngiyaqala vele ukudlala igame ethafu kanje into abangitshele yona nje ukuthi angibe open ngidlale njengenjwayelo yonke into izoba lula nami bongikhava ongezana omgwena bongikhava yonke into izoba lula ukuthi nami ngithembe ngento engifunayo yona into eyenza ukuthi ngidlale kahle kanje.